Okay, this is one of our two featured puppies, Herschel. Oh, I meant to turn this on. Hang on 1 second. 1 second. Let me turn on a little ball here and see if he'll engage with it. Okay, there we go. As you can see, he's very much a lap puppy, but his little tail goes all the time. This is probably going to be most of the video here. It's probably not going to be a super exciting video because he's very, very much in tune with the people.
You know, I try to plead with her to put the bat down, stop talking about killing, but anything I say to her only makes her angry. And then she very plainly points to the door. And then she starts pointing at me, and then I remember now that she's telling me that no matter who comes in that door, everybody's dying. I asked her why she won't leave Brayden alone. She said he was coming to this earth to pay her back for every bad thing she's ever done.
He is curious though, so he's confident and willing to investigate. He's a sweet boy.
About 8:31, she brings Brayden into the room. Up to this point, she's been nothing but tell me how she's going to kill him. So, for my own son's safety, I retrieved a pistol from behind the couch. And I just put it in my pocket for her safety. I didn't arm myself at the beginning. I armed myself when she convinced me that she...
This is our training pen, and these are some of our training apparatuses, I guess. This is we try to get them to climb over things and go under things, and now keep in mind that little thing right there is made for hamsters. So he's not a giant puppy. It's just made for hamsters. So it's little. The ones that are made for dogs are far too big for our puppies. So
After I pick up the little boy, I hold attention to getting that home to get help to be as fast as possible.
good boy. How smart you are. Look at you. Look at you being smart and brave. It does have little pieces of our starter food on it, so there's something up there that's attracting him, but he's actually climbing to get it, so that's good. He's smart. You're a smart boy.
Since those bullets left that pistol, my mind has been nothing but pain and anguish. I regret she lost her life with all my heart and soul. All I do is think about every second of what happened that day. And if there was another option, I didn't know it. Not to shoot my life to save my son. But what I thought I did to save everything ended up being what made me lose everything. The day that I was arrested, I was sitting in the police department, and a TBI agent walked in, and he said, "Son," he said, "I've got something I need to talk to you about. Have you ever heard of this man?" I said, "Yes, I have." And he said, "Have you ever heard that he must be a father?"
See, if I'll sit and pet him, he'll just sit here all day.
just showed up to the jail, said that's my son, but nobody knows about it. I was still in such shock of what had happened that morning. I couldn't take it all in. But I thought, there's no way. Me and Larry talking through it, and he says, well, we gotta do DNA immediately. So we get called into Larry's, and then he gives me a copy of the DNA test. And it says Brian Lawson is not his biological father.
Well, hi, cutie. I think it died. Needs to be recharged.
It destroyed me because me and him had such a tight bond. In my heart, he's still mine, but they won't let me around him any way, shape, or form. My mom and my mother-in-law, Chandra's mother, they have custody of him, and he goes back and forth. I can't talk to him, I can't, can't be anywhere he is. We go to trial and I win, I can see him immediately. The court would have no reason.
You done? Nope, maybe not.
I miss him beyond belief, but that little boy is
He's curious. I had a litter of puppies in here, and when I decided to do his featured puppy video, I put them in the little container over there. He's curious about what's in there.
I definitely blacked out. And not because of alcohol, because of love. There's more women coming on today's day. He knows what he wants. That sets apart a man from a boy. If I don't get a raise, I'm burning this house down. Help me, help me, help me.
I was not expecting that.
Well, I'm not 100% sold yet.
Okay, it's fine, Plum. She's not interested. I get it. Not everyone wants to save money. Renters and homeowners can bundle and save. For what? A trip to Bora Bora? Bora boring.
Okay, you know what? I'm in.
She's all yours. Want some tacos?
He does have a little bit of the tearing. It's because he's teething. Most of them do that when they teeth. It will resolve itself once teething is over.
Story. Because what is this? And this? And this? If not pure, unbridled passion. That's the feeling at Home Goods. Here you can always get more of what you love. More variety to choose from. More treasures to uncover. All for less. So when something makes your heart race, you'll know it's yours to keep. Because the best things in life don't cost a fortune. They're found. Home Goods. Go find it.
Okay, Brian, we're gonna look at the fan back here, okay?
Okay.
One of the cameras is in the bedroom, which is where we're looking at now.
Yeah, and already I found her shooting up 4 times. So right now she's got the syringe in her hand. So this is Brady's personal blanket, and she lays it out there, and she shoots up on top of his blanket. So now it's going in. See the light plunger going down? She's getting it in right there. She's gonna be more relaxed because she's got her fix. It's over and done. If she hadn't had any, that's when you would notice it.
Well, the significance of this that Dr. Shaw tells me is that the day that all of this event happened on, she didn't have an injection, or we'll call it a fix,